Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's look at this our three players game by numbers against Spurs or against Tottenham Hotspur or Tottenham Hotspur. Yes, let's look at Caicedo game by numbers and Enzo Fernandez game by numbers and the almighty Kulpama game by numbers against Spurs. Like the chances created, the ball recoveries, the big chances created, the shot on targets, in fact, the long balls, the aerial duels, the ground duels, and so forth. So let's look at these three players, their numbers on that game. Chelsea Spurs. Yes. And let's start with Moses Caicedo. But before we continue, guys, please, those watching from TikTok, please click my profile, my TikTok profile. You see a YouTube link there, this channel YouTube link. Click it, it will send you to YouTube. You subscribe to this channel, please, because some of the time, mostly the videos come through the YouTube channel before the TikTok channel. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. When any new video arrives, you will be the first person to see it on that channel. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel there. And those on YouTube here, for you, you don't have anything to do. Rather than to do what? Hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and those watching from TikTok, hit the follow button. Yes. Let's start with Moses Caicedo game by numbers against Spurs. You will see it on the screen. Let's start with the minutes Moses Caicedo play in this game. He played 90 minutes. Yes, in this game, he had 51 touches. Yes, and successful dribbles 1/1. He attempted one dribble and yes, got it all right. So he had in percentage 100% dribble. Yes, passes into the final third. Moses Caicedo passes into the final third against Spurs was 5. Yes, 5 passes into the final third. And his tackles won. It was 4 out of 4. He attempted 4 tackles and won 4. So it is also 100% in percentage wise. And last man tackling. Moses Caicedo had 1 last man tackling, which means that he was the last man. If he wasn't there at that position, the attacker will get a free space and go and score. But Moses Caicedo had that tackling, last man standing tackling, last man tackling 1 times. And ball recoveries 5 times. In this game, Moses Caicedo recovered 5 times, 5 balls recovering. Let's say the number of times he lost the ball and the number of times he recovered the ball. Yes, his ball recoveries was 5. And ground duels won. Tackling on the ground. Out of 9, he won 8. Out of 9 ground duels, Moses Caicedo won 8 ground duels, which is 89% in percentage wise. And aerial duel won was 1 out of 4. Yes, Moses Caicedo attempted 4 aerial duels and won 1 out of the 4, which in percentage wise, as we are seeing, 25%. Yes. And long balls, 5 long balls. Yes, Moses Caicedo had in this game. Yes, that was super good. As a DM, as a midfielder, having long balls in your game is fantastic good. Yes. And was fouled. The number of times Moses Caicedo was fouled, they fouled him. Spurs players fouled him. It was 3 times. Yes. And fouls committed. The number of times Moses Caicedo committed a foul in that game, it was 0. He didn't commit a single foul in that game. What a fantastic baller. Look at the tacklings he is making in his games. The energetic, the aggressive tacklings. But still, he didn't commit a single foul in this game. And conclusion, let's come and see what made Moses Caicedo exclusive, exceptional, different, unique in this game from other players, both from the 2 teams, Spurs and Chelsea. In this game, Moses Caicedo had most tackles won. He had 4 most tackles won in this game. And most aerial duels won in this game. Yes, 8 out of 9. Yes, from Moses Caicedo. And most long balls in this game. 5 times most long ball. Caicedo gave 5 long balls in this game, which was the most in this game, and fouled 3 times. Caicedo was the only player Spurs foul more than any other player, yes, in the Chelsea team. And last man tackling. The most important one, yes, he was the last man. He had it once. Last man tackling once. So guys, these are Moses Caicedo numbers. Yes, from Spurs game. Yes, you can see the performance. He was everywhere. Yes, when the game started, yet he had one dangerous tackling. Some of us thought he cannot complete the game. Yes, but luckily, Moses Caicedo went ahead and played the 90 minutes. So guys, these are Moses Caicedo numbers in the Spurs game, Chelsea versus Spurs. Let me hear from you under the comment section what impressed you about Moses Caicedo so far this season. And let's come to Enzo Fernandez numbers in this game. Let's start with the minutes Enzo Fernandez played in this game. He played 89 minutes, scored 1 goal. As we all knew that he scored the winning goal. Enzo Fernandez scored 1 goal. And accurate passes, out of 45, Enzo Fernandez gave 41 accurate passes. In percentage wise, it was 91%. Yes, accurate passes given by Enzo Fernandez. And big chances created in this game by Enzo Fernandez, it was 1. Yes, 1 big chances created. And total shot from Enzo Fernandez in this game, it was 2. He had 2 shot, yes, total shot in this game. And shot accuracy, it was 1 out of 2. In percentage wise, it is 50%. Enzo Fernandez shot accuracy. Touches in opposition box. The number of touches he had in Spurs box, it was 6. 6 times. What a wow. That was good. That was good from Enzo. Yes. That means his moving forward was great. Yes, that led to him even scoring in this game. And passes into the final third. 9 passes into the final third. What a wow. This is what we have been talking about as a midfielder attacker. Yes, you need to have that progression long balls. Yes, that direct creative long through passes. And in this game, he had it 9 times. And tackles won in this game from Enzo Fernandez, 1 out of 1, which was in percentage wise 100% from Enzo Fernandez. Tackles won. He attempted 1 tackling out of 1. Yes. So tackling 1 in this game was 1. Interceptions from Enzo Fernandez was 1. 1 interception. He attempted 1. And yes, he got it right. Yes. And ground duels won by Enzo Fernandez. 3 out of 8 ground duels, making it 38%. Yes, in percentage wise, 38%. That wasn't bad. 3 out of 8 ground duels won. An aerial duel from Enzo. This one, he attempted 1, he didn't get it. Yes. Fouls committed. The number of fouls Spurs players committed against him, it was 1. Yes. So Enzo Fernandez also played very well in this game because he had the most shots in this game, 2 times of the match. The most shots in this game. And he scored the winning goal. So guys, these are Enzo Fernandez numbers against Spurs. Yes, his game numbers against Spurs. Let me hear from you under the comment section also. So far, your opinion, your thought, yes, how you see Enzo Fernandez play in this game, and so far, maybe your thought about him, yes, during this season. Let me hear from you. Yes, and let's come to the almighty Cole Palmer, the best player in the Premier League, the best player in the world, who is better than Yamal, who is better than Bellingham, who is better than Mbappe, who is better than Vinicius Jr., who is better than Hodgson and Ziggy combined, who is better than all Arsenal attackers combined, who is called Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer. Let's come and look at the games, his games by numbers in this game. Cole Palmer played 89 minutes in this game, yes, and gave 1 assist, leading to Enzo Fernandez goal, the winning goal, and gave accurate passes 20 out of 23. What a wow. For this one, no Chelsea fan will be surprised, yes, about Cole Palmer passing ability, passing accuracy. So this game, he gave 20 passes out of 23, making it 87%. Yes, in percentage wise, 87%. Yes, accurate passes. And big chances created in this game leading to our goal, it was one out of one big chances created. I will say 100% in percentage wise. Yes. And total shot from this game from Cole Palmer, it was two total shots. Yes, one of the most shots in this game, him and Enzo Fernandez. And touches in opposition box. Touches in opposition box. Cole Palmer had 5 touches in Spurs box. What a wow, that is good, that is good. This game, Cole Palmer was all over. He was active, he was relentless, he was everywhere like MTN, everywhere you go. In fact, this game, Cole Palmer was super active, I'm telling you. So that is why he had that numbers in the opposition box, in Spurs box, 5 times. And accurate crosses. Out of 5, Cole Palmer had 2 crosses. Yes, accurate crosses. Out of 5, Cole Palmer had 2, making it 40%. Not bad for Cole Palmer. And accurate long balls in this game, 3 out of 3. Cole Palmer had 3 long balls out of his 3 attempted, making it 100%. What a wow, that was very good long balls. In fact, Cole Palmer passes are always on point. Be it short passes, long passes, whatever passes you can talk about in modern football. Cole Palmer passes are always on point. On point. So guys, Cole Palmer had long passes, 3 out of 3. And tackles 1. Cole Palmer had 3 out of 3. Attacking Cole Palmer. He is not a GM. He is not a center back. But still, he completed his tackling rate. 3 attempted and he had it all. All those 3 attempted tackles from Cole Palmer. He had it all. Attacking midfielder, attacker, a winger. He is good in tackling. In fact, Cole Palmer can even be a goalkeeper. When Cole Palmer stand on our goalpost, forget. Manchester United will replace Onana with Cole Palmer. I'm telling you. So guys, Cole Palmer had 3 tackles out of 3. And recoveries, Cole Palmer had 4 recoveries. And ground duels 1 out of 9. Cole Palmer won 5 ground duels. What a wow. Cole Palmer won 5 ground duels out of 9. You may think Cole Palmer doesn't have the physique to win battles, to win balls. But out of 9, Cole Palmer won 5, making it 56%. That wasn't bad for Cole Palmer. And aerial duels, Cole Palmer didn't attempt any aerial duels in this game. And was fouled. In fact, Cole Palmer, they fouled him 1 time in this game. And fouls committed by Cole Palmer, it was none. Cole Palmer didn't commit a single foul in this game. The whole of his 89 minutes in this game. Yes, Cole Palmer didn't commit a single foul. That is good. That is good. Yes, that shows his discipline. Yes. And what made Cole Palmer exceptional in this game from any other player, Cole Palmer made the most shots in this game. Cole Palmer gave the assist that lead to Chelsea. Yes, winning goal. Enzo Fernandez scoring the winning goal. Yes. And also this game, Cole Palmer attempted 2 dribbles and he had it all. Yes. Attempted 2 dribbles, yes, out of 2. So guys, these are the numbers for our players, Moses Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez, and Cole Palmer. Yes, these are their numbers. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. So far, their general performance overall this season, Moses Caicedo, Cole Palmer, and Enzo Fernandez. Yes, and we are lucky. All our players are back. All of them. Any player you can talk about, only Lavia and Fofana absent. And for them, we are used to them for being absent. For Lavia, even this season, how many games Lavia play? Like 9 games or how many games? Fofana, also less than 10 games. So, Fofana and Lavia this season, we are used being absent or playing without them. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about the numbers and their performance generally. Cole Palmer, Enzo Fernandez, and Moses Caicedo. And my preview for Brentford and Chelsea is coming. Our game on Sunday, Ghanaian time, it will be 1 o'clock. The preview is coming. So please watch out and turn on the notification bell on this channel. Yes, so that when that video comes, you will be the first person to see it. And please don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button when I see the numbers. It gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.